We're in Columbus, North Carolina at the Green Creek Shipyard shipping container behind me. This place is awesome. Let's go check it out. This container home is beautiful. We actually got the opportunity to stay at and shoot a video for their other container home on the same property. It's gorgeous. It's got a waterfall underneath. Really special place, so you have to go check out that video. And then today we got to meet the owners. They're actually siblings. It's Heather, Landon, and Reese. Fantastic people. If you stay here, you're definitely gonna be in good hands. But I know that you're wanting to see the tour of this place. So Nikki, why don't you kick it off?
Yes, we'll start out here on the patio that spans the length of the shipping container. You've got a little fire pit area, grill, another seating area to enjoy the view that we have, and a huge hot tub that even has a spot for you to lay down in with jets all along your body for maximum relaxation.
We're gonna be trying that out.
For sure. And you can see behind us, they actually have a garage door that opens up to the inside.
Love it. Love big garage doors like this because it really lets you be inside but outside at the same time. And the fact that they've got a roof over most of this patio is super nice because rain or shine, you can enjoy this space out here.
Yes, it's also well lit at night, so you can come out here and hang out. And there's a fun little touch. There is a ring toss game that you can play while you're out here.
Woo.
It's time for a competition.
3 tries, then it goes to the next person. First person to make 3 on the hook wins.
Might be here for a while.
Dang. Oh, it's looking pretty good now, isn't it?
Warming up over here.
Your turn. Oh my gosh. Yeah, 3 might take a while. Woo! Okay, we're not gonna go to 3 because this is taking forever. First one to make it, the next person gets 3 tries to make it. And if they do, then it keeps going. Here we go. All right, we think that the string is not tight enough, so I'm gonna retie it, see what happens. It could be because we're not good at it, but
we've played this game before, so I feel like I know.
We have, and I whipped your tail. And Ben's, and Alex, and Seton. Destroyed them in the tabletop version.
Yeah.
Didn't lose a single time.
So much more of a chance of getting
Okay, here we go. Oh!
Told you. Okay, you got 3 tries.
You got 3 tries.
To get it.
Try number 1.
Try number 1.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Last try.
Come on, hook it. Hook it. Oh my God. You won.
Your wifey wins. You're welcome.
Way to go. Way to go.
Stay after and practice.
It's because I retied the knot. That's why she won. Now inside the container home, on this end, they've got a full bath that is impressively large for a container home. It's probably bigger than our bathroom at home.
Yeah, very spacious.
But a nice shower, rainfall shower head, of course. And then above the toilet, there is a picture frame that talks about the toilet being the best seat in the house. And I must say, I agree. But then it comes out here into the beautiful kitchen. I love the color of these cabinets. It's kind of a dark green and gray, and I think that's so nice. And then the butcher block countertops. You've got a nice little stove top behind me here, and then some floating shelves as well.
Love those floating shelves. On the other side of the shipping container, they have a bedroom with a queen bed. And on the wall in that room, they actually have the original drawings of the shipping container because this was the first one that the siblings did together. So that is a fun piece that they put up in the room.
Oh yeah.
Right outside of the bedroom, there is a ladder that leads up to the lofted bedroom. So you can have up to 4 people in here. And then right next to the bedroom, you've got the living room with a leather couch, some cute artwork, and then TV and games for entertainment.
And then right here in the middle of the container, you've got a nice little dining table. Now, gonna play a game. One of our new favorites, Cascadia. Fantastic, got a little bit of strategy, but it's also pretty simple. So let's break it out.
Comment below who you think is gonna win this game before we show you the end. Alrighty.
Okay, final tally. Looks like you have the final score. I think I might have won.
I want to
from that reaction.
surprise reveal what we got.
Okay.
Nikki and all her animals and her habitats got 84 points.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Or 85.
85.
Now,
Okay.
Hayden, the strategist he is, got
Okay.
104 points.
104.
Yes.
Ooh. If you're a huge strategy game person and you like a little outdoor nature theme, this is a perfect game. We'll actually leave a link in the description below if you want to buy it. We love board games. We don't really buy board games that we don't think are worth buying. This one certainly is. So go check it out. It is bedtime now, so we're gonna finish this tour tomorrow morning. Up the spiral stairs. All right. Well, after a nice restful night, we can finish this tour of this container home. Right up here, we are on the top deck with some swinging egg chairs, which are always fun, a nice umbrella for rain or shine. Then there is a bar with some seats up here, and then it just overlooks the gorgeous property.
Yes, they actually have a pond that is right down the hill from the front of this container. They've got a few chairs out there so you can sit, enjoy the water, the nature, and there's a lot of little critters and wildlife out here so you can kind of watch all of that while you're out here.
It's super fun, a very serene, relaxing property. And with the deck and the spiral staircase, it definitely adds to the aesthetic of the container, just making it look special and unique. And this is located in Columbus, North Carolina, which is only 45 minutes from Asheville, which has some favorite spots of ours. We love the Biltmore, we love the mountains, and then one of our favorite restaurants, Sunny Point Cafe. We go every time we're in Asheville. It's got this chicken and waffle sandwich that is just amazing. One of our favorites.
You won't catch us leaving Asheville without having that meal.
Oh yeah.
So good.
Totally. And so it's really a great location with lots to do as well.
If you want to stay here, we will leave a link of this place in the description below. Please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see all the other amazing places we are putting out.
Including their other container, the
Yes!
Green Creek Shipyard 2.0.
2.0.
Amazing spot.
You will not want to miss that at all. It's
Oh
so
yeah.
good.
Yep. Is that it?
I think so.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
It's the swinging chair.
Yeah.
It's throwing us
Blame it
off.
on the chair.
Throwing us off.